was.
Hi guys, I'm ReyRove. I hope you're doing well. Today we want to review some news from May 10 to 16. Let's go to see what we have on May 30. 13, it says about the Zest raises $3.5 million led by Tim Draper for on-chain Bitcoin lending using stacks. So this news is about the Zest protocol, a Bitcoin lending platform. So Zest protocol is a platform that allows Bitcoin holders to lend their Bitcoin and earn interest. Also, we see about the funding that raised $3.5 million in a seed funding round. The investors also talk about the investors. So led by Tim Draper with participation from Binance Labs, Flow Traders, Trust Machines, and the others. So we want to talk about the technology too. So it utilizes the Nakamoto upgrade by Bitcoin Layer 2 stacks. Also leverages Bitcoin, a token pegged 1-to-1 to Bitcoin for on-chain lending. So the goal, what is the goal? So the goal is to create a native lending experience for Bitcoin on the blockchain. In simpler terms, we can say Zest protocol is a new financial platform built on top of Bitcoin that allows people to lend their Bitcoin and earn interest. Also, they raised money from prominent investors to develop this platform. And also their goal, in general, we can say their goal is to make it easy for people to use Bitcoin for lending and also borrowing without needing to switch to another cryptocurrency. So it is a very good news, I think, for the users. So let's go to another news. Another news that we have on May 30, it's about the Marshall Heiner's Metallicus launches Metal L2 on Optimus Superchain. So let's see what is this news about. So, as we see according to the title, this news is about the launch of a new platform that is called Metal L2 by Metallicus. This project focused on digital assessed banking. So Metallicus is aiming to create a user-friendly digital assessed banking network. And the Metal L2, a layer 2 solution that is built on Optimus Superchain. So what is the benefits of this thing? The benefits, first of all, we can say it's about the improved DeFi and TradFi integration. So it connects the decentralized finance, that we can say it in abbreviation, DeFi, with traditional finance TradFi. Another benefit, it's about the direct bank connectivity. So it allows direct interaction with banks. Another is about the on-chain connectivity. So it allows direct interaction. So provides a secure and also variable identity management on the blockchain. So another benefits that we can mention is about the metal dollar. So introduce a stablecoin facilitating instant transfers between major stablecoins, for example, USD and fiat currencies, for example, USD, UR, or the other things. So another thing is about the regularity, compliance with standards like the Bank Secrecy Act. We can call it BSA. So essentially, Metallicus is launching Metal L2 to bridge the gap between DeFi and TradFi. This platform also offers features like direct bank connections and secure identity management. And also, additionally, we can say their stablecoin XMD enables easy and also a compliant transfer between other stablecoins and fiat currencies. There are some additional points that we can consider too. The first thing is about the Optimus superchain. So this is a scaling solution for Ethereum blockchain, allowing faster and cheaper transaction for the Metal L2. And also we can consider BSA compliance. So this ensures that Metal L2 adheres to regulations against the money laundering and also terrorist financing. So overall, what we can say about this news? Overall, we can say Metallicus is aiming to make digital asset banking more accessible and also user-friendly by offering the features that integrate traditional finance with the benefits of DeFi. So their focus on regularity compliance positions them as a potentially more mainstream solution in the digital asset space. So this was a very interesting news, I think, about the Metal L2 project. So let's see what we have. Another news is about the Safe. So what is it about? Safe introduces native swaps with Cow protocol integration. This news is about the Safe and its new native swap feature. They're calling about the new feature. So what is it? A Safe is a popular multi-signature wallet that used for managing digital asset security. So this new feature, native token swaps integrated directly with Safe's wallet. So the technology partners are Cow Protocol, a platform for finding best prices across decentralized exchanges. What are the benefits for the users? The important thing that we can mention to it, the first of all, it's about the low swap prices. So leverages Cow Protocol's aggregation for finding the best deals on DEX. So DEX is the abbreviation of the decentralized exchanges. So let's see what is another benefit for the users. It's about the wide token selection. So it can offer the vast variety of tokens for swapping. And another thing, it's about the seamless trading. So it streamlines the swap process directly within Safe's wallet. Another, it's about the Safe's track record. So it's facilitated over $23 billion in swap volume through its smart accounts feature in the past 3 years. We can explain it like this. Safe is making it easier for users to swap tokens directly within their secure multi-signature wallet. So they've partnered with Cow Protocol for this work. Cow Protocol is a platform that aggregates liquidity from various DEX to ensure users get the best possible prices for their swaps. So this integration eliminates the need to switch between different platforms for managing digital assets and swapping tokens. So it makes it easier. And also there's some additional points that we can consider them too. So Safe existing popularity as a multi-signature wallet suggests a potentially large user base for this new native swap feature. And also Cow protocols that we mentioned and talk about it, expertise in DEX aggregation promises users competitive swap rates. Overall and in general, we can conclude that this collaboration between the Safe and also the Cow protocol aims to simplify the token swap process for the users. And how? By providing a secure and efficient solution directly within Safe's wallet that we talk about it. For more details, you can go to their website and see the other details and more information. So let's see what we have. Another news that is very interesting, I think. It's about the Chain ML that unveils a theoretic and AI agent-based layer. Let's dive into the news and see what is it. This news is about the Chain ML and their new project, theoretic. So, Chain ML, it is a protocol focused on decentralized computation. So the project is Theoric, an AI agent-based layer that is launched after successful funding rounds and over $10 million raised in seed and super seed rounds led by Hack VC. And what are the goals of Theoric that they are talking about it? So the goals are, first of all, it's redefine AI agent development. It aims to revolutionize how AI agents are built. Another thing, it's about composability, enables building modular AI agents by combining functionalities from different sources. Another thing, it's about the extensibility, allows for easy expansion and also customization of AI agents. Another thing that we can mention is about the community governance. So it promotes decentralized decision-making for Theoric's development. And the last goal that they have, it's about the democratized AI, ultimately aims to make AI development more accessible and also inclusive. So we can just say it as key points about this project that they're doing. ChainML is launching Theoric, a blockchain-based protocol specifically designed for building and managing AI agents. So the Theoric focuses on composability, extensibility, and also community governance, making AI development more modular, adaptable, and potentially more open to participation. And another thing that we can mention, it's about their vision, is to democratize AI by creating a more accessible environment for building and also using AI agents. Overall, we can say ChainML Theoric seems to be a step towards creating a more collaborative and open source framework for developing intelligent agents using blockchain technology. So this could be potentially accelerate advancements in AI and also make it more accessible to a wider range of developers. So it's a good news for developers, I think. And yes, so let's see what we have in other news. So another news that we have on May 40, it's about the Ember Data launches ARC, an open source master security database. So what is it talking about really? So we can say this news is about the Ember Data and their new project that the name is ARC. Let's see what is it. If you don't know, Ember Data is a provider of data and also analytics for cryptocurrency markets. And their new project is ARC. ARC is the abbreviation of the Assessed, Reference, and Classification, an open source security master database. So the target users is financial institutions. And what are the benefits of ARC? What are the benefits of the new project that they are doing and working on it? The first thing that we can mention is about consistent view of digital assets. So it can enable institutions to categorize and analyze digital assets in a standard way. It's really important. So another thing, it's about the eliminates bias. It reduces the influence of proprietary data sources. And another thing, it's about the up-to-date information. It encourages community contributions for accurate and also current data. And another thing, it's about enhanced transparency. It promotes better record-keeping practices with reliable data. And the last thing that we can say is about increased institutional confidence. So aims to make digital assets more attractive to financial institutions. We can explain it like this, in a very short way. We can say Ember Data is addressing a key challenge in the digital assets space. The lack of standardized data and classification systems. So ARC aims to solve this by providing a central open source database where financial institutions can access consistent and reliable information about digital assets. So we can look deeper and also see the benefits too. So the first is about the consistency. ARC provides a shared framework for classifying digital assets and also allowing institutions to compare and analyze them more effectively. And another thing, it's about the reduced bias by relying on community contributions. ARC aims to eliminate the potential introduced by proprietary data sources from individual companies. And another thing, it's about the transparency that we talk about it. It's about the accurate and reliable data fosters trust and transparency, which are crucial factors for financial institutions considering entry into the digital assets space. Overall, we can say ARC has the potential to significantly improve data quality and also a standardization in the digital assets market. It could be a very significant milestone in encouraging wider adoption of digital assets by traditional financial institutions. So this news was very big, and I think it was interesting news too. Let's see what we have. So what we have another news on May 40. It's about Anomaly that we have. It's about on May 40. We have a news that is about Anomaly, AI-powered Layer 3 network focused on gaming raises $1.45 million. It's a big budget, so let's see what is it. Anomaly is a company, so it focuses on AI-powered gaming and also Web3 integration for Telegram users, and also develops a Layer 3 blockchain solution. So funding we can say it raised about $1.45 according to the news million in an oversubscribed pre-seed funding round. So led by prominent investors including the Cosonic, Shima Capital, Break Orbit, Round 30 Capital, and also Web3 influencer Zeneca. So what is it, the technology behind this news? It's about the Layer 3 blockchain for potentially lower fees and also faster transactions compared to the Layer 1 solutions. So another thing is about the custom AI engine for mini games integrated into a special platform, integrated to social platforms like Telegram. Another is about the future plans that we can talk about. So it's about the node sale and ecosystem token launch to strengthen their position in the Web3 gaming market. There are some key points that we can consider about this project. The first of all is Anomaly is a gaming company. So looking for bridge the gap between Web3 and also popular social platforms like the Telegram. So another, they've secured funding from well-regarded investors, indicating potential in their approach. Another thing that we can consider is their focus on Layer 3 and AI-powered minigames suggest, innovative solutions for the Web3 gaming space. And at the last, we can say upcoming token and also node sale initiatives aim to solidify their presence in Web3 gaming ecosystem. Overall, we can say Anomaly's funding and their focus on AI and Layer 3 technology suggest might be a promising player in the evolving Web3 gaming landscape. So their social media integration strategy that they considered, particularly with Telegram, could be a unique selling point. It was a very interesting thing. Let's see what we have on May 50. So there's some news, we ignore them, but you can go to the website and read all of them. So let's go on May 50. So on May 15th, we have a interesting news that is about the Gnosis that wants to launch Genome, a native digital ID service with human readable name. So let's see what is it about. So Gnosis is a company. So their new project is Genome, a digital identity service for Gnosis chain. The partners on this project, it's Web3 domain and identity platform Space ID and Web3 messaging protocol DM3. What are the benefits of this project that is called the Genome? The benefits, first of all, it's about the human readable names. So translates complex valid addresses into usernames for easier identification. Another thing is about the simplified transactions. So make it easier, make it sending and receiving crypto within Gnosis chain more user-friendly. Another thing that we can talk about is the seamless user experience, integrates with Gnosis ecosystem and works across compatible blockchains. And another is about the domain ownership. So grants user ownership of both Geno and Gnosis.ethereum domains. The last one that we can consider about the benefits of the Genome, it's about the interoperability. So domains work with existing Ethereum name service, that the abbreviation we can say ENS. So let's explain it simpler. Gnosis is addressing a common pain point in the cryptocurrency space, long and complicated valid addresses. So Genome, this project offers a solution by allowing users to create human-readable usernames for their Gnosis chain wallets. So these usernames make it easier to send and also receive cryptocurrency, and also improving the overall user experience within the Gnosis ecosystem. Overall, we can say Genome represents a step towards making Gnosis chain more user-friendly and also accessible by simplifying user identification and also transactions. It could encourage wider adoption of the platform too. So this was a news that we had on May 50, and let's see on May 60 what we have too. So on May 60, we have a news that is really interesting. That is about the Flock.io to merge decentralized AI training with Morpheus smart agents. This news is about the Flock.io and Morpheus partner to decentralize AI for Web3. Flock.io and Morpheus have joined forces to create a more decentralized future for artificial intelligence, that we can say AI too, so in Web3 space. Flock.io offers a platform for AI co-creation, which likely means a collaborative approach for training AI models, and also focuses on decentralized training, potentially using a community-driven approach. About the Morpheus, we can say Morpheus provides a network for smart agents, which are self-acting programs that can interact with the world on behalf of the user. And also, Morpheus empowers developers by allowing them to deploy their smart agent code and earn rewards. And about the partnership, what are the partnership goals? The first thing, it's about reducing reliance on centralized AI services like OpenAI. OpenAI is a prominent research lab known for its powerful AI models, as you know, but it is not a decentralized platform. So integrate more smart agents into Web3 wallets. Another thing that we can say, another goal. This could allow users to leverage AI directly for the tasks like crypto trading within their wallets. And another goal that we can say is about the empower users with secure and also initiative AI experiences through their wallets too. So we have some benefits, as we can say in this news that they are talking about. We have some benefits that we can consider. The first benefit of this project, it's about decentralization. So by moving away from centralized AI providers, users potentially gain more control and also avoid single points of failure. Another thing, it's about the enhanced functionality. So integrating smart agents into wallets could provide users with new capabilities for managing their crypto assets and also interacting with Web3 applications. The last thing that we can say about this project, it's about the security and transparency that is really very important for us. So decentralized solutions could potentially offer improved security and also transparency compared to some centralized AI models. Overall, what we can say about this news? We can say this partnership aims to make AI in Web3 more accessible, user-friendly, and also secure. So by leveraging the strength of both Flock.io's decentralized training and Morpheus smart agent network, they could unlock new possibilities for AI applications in the Web3 space. So it's really very interesting. So all we heard about this news, it's about the accessibility, user-friendly, and also security and transparency. So we reviewed the news from May 10 to 60, and I hope you like this news. We have a lot, but we just consider the important ones as always. Thanks for watching. If you want to support me, you can buy my support token on object.com. And also you can like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any opinion, please comment it for me. Bye guys. See you later.